The race for Manhattan District Attorney is heating up with 8 candidates vying to win the Democratic primary on June 23rd. Tonight, I'm joined by Eliza Orlins, a former public defender who calls herself the most progressive candidate in the race. Eliza, such a pleasure having you on. Thank you.
Yodit, it's so nice to be here with you. Thanks for having me.
Of course. All right, so you are the only public defender running in the Democratic primary. Can you tell me how that experience informs your candidacy?
Of course, it informs every aspect of why I'm running, of my views on the criminal legal system and the system that exists, and the cruelty and injustice and inhumanity that in which each person is treated within our system. You know, I've spent my career as a public defender. I've represented over 3,000 people charged with crimes, and I've seen exactly how the Manhattan District Attorney's Office prosecutes cases, how they over-prosecute people for low-level offenses, people who are experiencing mental health issues or substance use disorder, or people who've committed crimes as children and they've deemed them unworthy of any type of rehabilitation. So the platforms on which I'm running are really based on my experience as a public defender.
So this is the most diverse field of candidates to run for DA. Many of the candidates of color have experienced being stopped by police or having family members being incarcerated. As a white woman who lacks that lived experience, why do you think you are better placed to serve as DA?
Listen, I recognize the privilege of being a white woman. I have seen exactly the ways in which the police target the people, like the people I've represented, over and over again. You know, my clients who are predominantly people of color because of the systemic racism that exists will get arrested for things like taking up 2 seats on the subway or violently grabbed for laying down on a park bench, you know, put face down on the sidewalk, handcuffed, and taken to jail for the night for that exact reason. And I recognize that those are not things that would happen to me, but I'm the only person who's spent my career as a public defender. So I've represented thousands of people. I've been in the trenches fighting on behalf of people. And really, I understand exactly the ways in which we need to change the system. I have more criminal court litigation experience, more courtroom time than anyone else in the race. And I fundamentally understand the ways in which we would be able to bring about systemic change to our criminal legal system.
How do you intend to hold police accountable in cases of brutality or civilian killings?
Well, unfortunately, or fortunately, you know, the power to prosecute police killings in New York was taken away to a special prosecutor. So the Attorney General, Tish James, is responsible for that. But the police have been able to brutalize and assault and harass members of the community that we live in here in Manhattan with impunity, without being held accountable. And I've seen that time and time again. I've got an iPhone filled with photographs of clients coming through arraignments who come in bloody with broken bones, gashes on their head, charged with resisting arrest and obstructing governmental administration, who'd been beaten and brutalized by the police. So I've seen this happen over and over again, and I know we need a district attorney who's going to be serious about police accountability. You know, I know that police officers need to be prosecuted. I've seen their memo books. I've cross-examined them during my career. I understand the ways in which they operate, and I know exactly what it would take to hold them accountable, and I think they deserve to be held accountable. You know, police officers, including those who test a lie, who get on the stand, swear under oath to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, and then lie under oath, also need to be held accountable and not be allowed to be used as witnesses in future cases to send people to jail and prison, which is what the Manhattan District Attorney's Office has always allowed. So, you know, I've been fighting against the police, you know, in terms of accountability and cross-examination for my entire career, and I would continue to do so as district attorney.
Well, I wanted to get into prosecutorial misconduct, but we're running out of time. So hopefully that'll mean that you get to come back and talk to us soon. Former public defender and Manhattan DA candidate Eliza Orlins, wishing you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you. I would love to. Thanks so much.